Last installation video of the Honda 2016 CR-V radio install. I made a previous video how I had a streaming Roku in this vehicle. I had it mounted down here, so I didn't want to see any of the wires and I didn't want to draw any holes. So what we came up with when we were thinking about it was, I wonder if it would fit in this AC vent. Well, needless to say, it is back there in the AC vent. Let me find the AV source. You'll see the Roku is powered up. I don't have it connected to the internet at the moment. My hotspot's not here, but the remote works. It works. The AC vent works. It still moves. So basically, because this radio has an AV input, it is component video. It's or composite. I'm not sure which one. I can't remember which one it is. But anyway, it's the red, white, and yellow. Red and white for audio, left and right. Yellow for video. So this Roku Express Plus has either an HDMI output or it has this component video or composite video. Maybe I'm sure I could figure it out, but it doesn't matter. So that power that goes from the Roku directly into the back of the head unit. This head unit also has a USB input. So I had a thumb drive with a bunch of music. I'd never really used it. I kept it in the glove compartment, as you can see in the last video. So what I did was, the Roku powers up off a USB. I plugged in the radio to see if it would power it. It does. So as for now, until I maybe add some USB power or something inside my glove compartment, the radio will power the Roku, so it'll only come on when the radio's on. That's pretty nice. Also, the fact that it's hidden behind my AC vent for streaming in the summertime and the air conditioning's on, I think would probably help keep it cool. So I think that's a pretty neat idea. So the radio's done, and I got Roku, Sirius satellite radio. It'll play movies. I can stream anything from the Roku. It's not a high definition radio, so it doesn't use up a lot of data. But I'm pretty complete. I think the only thing left in this car to do is change the door speakers. So I don't necessarily know if I'm going to make a video for that, but that'll be later on in the summer after this quarantine crap's over. But you know, I have my Sirius, some Howard Stern, you know, all kinds of stuff available to me through Sirius, and my Roku. I think I pretty much have access to anything I need. So if you have any questions or comments, please ask. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, you know, the whole deal. I'd appreciate it. Thanks, guys. See ya.